Ah, isn't that lovely, eh? Feeding the babies. Come to Nanny's girls for brekkie. Not being funny, but that baby looks fatter than the mother. I wonder what that one is on the end. Looks a different colour. Like a brown colour, isn't it? Probably all sparrows anyway. I've just put the water out on the feed for them all. Only feed them of a morning so that it's all gone by the night so no rats will come out. Hope my little Robin brings her babies here to get fed. And it's only an ordinary packet of seeds in case anyone's wondering. Just a $1.99 bag. I put a little few out, I don't put loads out because the pigeons eat it. You can tell that one at the back's a baby, its fur's all fluffy, where its feathers haven't come through yet. Mother Nature at her best. See the little, that one, where? That one, oh you can't see. Oh, the one that just flew away, you could see its feathers were like fluff. This one's not leaving the dinner table yet. Aye, where's my mum and dad then? And my little bro? Ooh, where are you? Yes, it's me feeding you.